How to invest 5 million naira for safe and steady returns. Now, how would I invest 5 million naira? True wealth is built with structure. Wealth grows when you follow a plan that protects your money, also grows your money, and give you peace of mind. So today, I want to show you, if I had 5 million naira to invest, how would I invest it? This is exactly how I will do it, step by step. And you can also use this same plan for your own investments. So let's build a real investment structure together. If you're a new viewer, this channel is where we discuss how to grow our money. And I try to explain it the most simple way so all my viewers can understand. Please hit on the subscribe button to join this community so you never miss any of the video. How would I invest 5 million naira? The first thing I'm going to do is to first separate some money for emergency. This is called my emergency fund. Remember, we have 5 million naira to invest. So I will put 500,000 naira in my emergency fund. Why do I need emergency? You see, before you invest at all, you must put some part of the money in an emergency so that you will not go and touch that your investment. Many Nigerians, or let me say many people, when they invest, they were not able to follow through. They are unable to complete the investment tenure. They will drop at the middle of the way because some things can come up. But if you already have an emergency fund somewhere, this is where you will go to. You will not go and withdraw that your investment. So I'm putting 10%, which is 500,000 into an emergency fund. This is money that stays in a safe place, like in a high yield savings account or a money market fund account. Something that can also give you maybe 10% to maybe 17% extra in a money market fund account, because even the emergency fund will be yielding something, will be giving some returns. So when you have this emergency fund, you have rest of mind that whatever happens, whatever arises at the cost of an investment, this one will be able to sort it. So let's say in our emergency fund, if we get just 17%, 10% of that 500,000 is 50,000 naira. Let's say we are getting let's just say we are getting 75,000 naira extra profits on that emergency fund. Now, I'm going to also put the money into Treasury Bills. Treasury Bills is like you are borrowing the federal government your money. So I'm going to be putting 1.5 million naira here. So in my Treasury Bill account, because Treasury Bills are or T-bills, Treasury Bill T-bills are one of the safest investments in Nigeria, and it is backed by the federal government. That means your money is safe and secure. And most time, the Treasury Bills pay sometimes between 15% to 16%, and this is yearly, depending on market condition. And you can choose your duration of investment, maybe 91 days. You can choose maybe 182 days, that is 6 months. You can as well choose to do the 365 days, that is for the 1 year. So why am I putting 1.5 million naira in Treasury Bills? Because I want stability. I want a part of my money that does not shake when the stock market shakes. I want a part of my money that grows in the background while I focus on other things. So this is the side of your portfolio that bring rest of mind and calmness. It is safe, it is predictable, it is safe because it is backed by the government. It is predictable because you get a fixed yield. So if you are getting 15%, if you are getting 16%, that is fixed. And if I get 15 to 16% here, that means I'm looking at getting around 200,000 naira. Around 200,000 naira from my Treasury Bills. This one is going to be my profit, my yield from this 1.5 million naira. As you can see, we've only spent about 2 million and we have seen about 275,000 naira profit here. And down 3, I will also put money in the MMF. MMF is the money market fund. Here, I will be putting 1 million naira on the money market fund. A money market fund is like a fixed deposit, but it is better than a fixed deposit. On the money market fund, you earn interest every day, and you can withdraw if you need your money. And your money is spread across safe investment. And most money market fund in Nigeria give between also 15% to like 18%, depending on the year, depending on the market. And I like money market fund because you also have peace of mind when you put your money in money market fund. You can grow your cash slowly and safely. There is the daily interest. You can see how much you are earning every day. It is also low risk and you can access it easily. In fact, in Nigeria, you can enter money market fund with as little as just 5,000 Naira. And here we have 1 million Naira to invest. So that means I'm getting close to about, if I get let's say 18% or 15%, let's say I'm getting close to about 180,000 Naira on here. And now we have only invested around 3 million Naira. 4, I will put some of my money into the equity mutual fund. This one have a chance to grow very, very fast. This is where long-term wealth comes from the equity. Because an equity mutual fund invests your money in many strong companies in the Nigerian stock market. That means you're not putting all your money into one company. If one company drops, the other balances for you. And this type of fund is great for people who want to grow their wealth steadily over the years. You do not need to pick individual stocks. Generally, when you're investing in a mutual fund, you don't do any hard work yourself. The professional handle that for you. And I like it because it is diversified into many companies, many stock companies, and it is good for the long-term growth, and it is also professionally managed. Most equity mutual fund in Nigeria currently give about year-to-date 40%. If I invest 1 million Naira here and I get this, that means I'm getting a 400,000 Naira from here in 1 year. Past performance does not guarantee future performance, but year-to-date, it has performed very nice, and most even give more than this on equity mutual fund. And the next investment I will do if I invest 5 million Naira is the direct stocks. Some of the money will be used to buy stocks of company, and this is where I like to add some power to the portfolio. I will not pick random companies. I will pick companies in sectors that always have demand. 3 categories I will personally like to put my money is into power. Any company that do anything with electricity, with energy. Then I will put some money in healthcare sector as well. Healthcare sector, because these are very important sectors in Nigeria, like the medicine, the hospitals, the drugs. And also, I will put some money in the consumer goods sector. Food is life. Consumer goods sector. So this is how I'm going to put. And I'm investing here. I'm investing just 600,000 Naira for the direct stocks to buy stocks. 600,000 Naira to buy stocks in power sector, in healthcare sector, in consumer goods sector. 200,000 Naira will go to the power sector. Then 200,000 Naira will go to the healthcare. And also 200,000 Naira will go to the consumer good. These are essential sectors and the future demand is strong. This is the part of your portfolio that can go faster if the stock market grows. And let's just say I'm able to make just 20% of this in 1 year. It can be lower, it can be higher. And that means I'm getting about 120,000 Naira for my 600,000 Naira. As you can see, we are making profit. And in next place, I'm investing. If I would invest 5 million Naira, is into a skill or a business upgrade. This one is the investment most Nigerians forget. I will put 400,000 Naira here. You can see I've finished my 5 million Naira. Now, if you learn a skill that increases your income, that skill will keep paying you for life. Don't say you are old and you cannot learn a skill. Even if you have reached retirement now, You can learn a skill that can be paying you. It might be a tech skill. It might be content creation. It might be business skill. It might be to learn a trade. Or if you already have a small business, putting 400,000 naira into that business can help you upgrade some part of it. Maybe to buy more tools, to buy more products, or to improve your marketing. A skill can pay you forever. A skill never die. Business upgrade can also boost your income quickly. You cannot really dictate how much of profit a skill can give you because it is actually unlimited. The skill you learn 10 years ago will still be useful for you in the future. So all the portfolio where I've put in the 5 million naira gives you peace of mind. It gives your money safety. It gives you future wealth, and it spread your risk. Now imagine how much we have made. Let's calculate it. We have made about 975,000 naira here from our 5 million naira investment if we diversify. And this is achievable. Yes, it is achievable. This is just for 1 year. Imagine if you begin to compound it. If you put this 5 million naira and you leave it for 10 years, it's going to return something massive. So if you ask me, how will you invest 5 million naira? This is my exact plan. Simple, clear, and effective. Even though individual people have different choices, different risk appetite. And that is why you need to speak to a licensed financial instructor to guide you on how to build your investment portfolio. So tell me in the comments, how would you invest your own 5 million naira? I want to hear your plans too. And if you enjoy this breakdown, like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the future videos. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.